Okay. Ready? Take one. Is it recorded?
Yes.
Take two. Go.
Hello, my name is Ariel, and her name is Amber. And today we're going to make our famous tropical smoothie. All you need are these things: 10 grapes, 5 strawberries, 5 oranges, 3 teaspoons of sugar.
Speak up.
3 teaspoons of sugar. 3 teaspoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of vanilla extra. And honey. Ice. 1 good blender. And 1 cup of cranberry apple. 1 cup of cranberry grape or cranberry apple. Cranberry apple.
Yeah, speak it to the camera. Speak up.
Cranberry apple.
Or cranberry grape.
Or cranberry
Grape juice.
Grape juice.
Okay, go.
Okay, so let's start. Okay, first put the 5 strawberries in, remember? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'll put the 10 grapes in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's add the rest then.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Put 4 oranges in, but we only have 3, so just put the 1, 2, 3. Okay, next we put in the ice, right? Okay.
Just a little bit at a time.
Alright. Drop it in.
Add the ice. Come on, you mess up. Come on.
It's cold. Is that enough? Let me get
Yes, that's enough. That's enough.
That's enough. Okay, next you need to add the cup of cranberry. Good. Cup. Good. Gotta get that in. That's real good. Okay, next you put in honey. Next you put in the vanilla extra.
And Amber, you can add the sugar.
And then you put 3 teaspoons of sugar. Pour the whole entire thing in. Pour the whole. Good. Now all you gotta do, put the top one, Amber. Okay, press it down. Press it down really good. Press it down. Now we just gotta chop. Huh?
Add the rest of your ice.
Oh.
Stop it. Add the rest of the ice now.
Now we just gotta add the rest of the ice so it can be extra cold. Can I get a spoon? Amber, let me use the
Good.
Alright, now put the top on. There we go. Alright, press it down. Stop it and add some more ice.
Special guest.
Special guest, Vera Vickers.
Okay.
This is that.
All right.
Alright, put it back on.
Show continues.
The show continues.
Take the left, stir with the spoon a little bit, and then start.
Take a little.
And then spin it again. There you go.
Alright.
Hold it. Let's get it down in there a little bit more.
You did it when you...
Go ahead.
You did it when it was going, and then you stirred it up down. When did you do that?
Okay, put the lid back on. Come on, you're filming.
I gotta call you back. I gotta call you back, okay?
You're making the TV show.
Alright, bye.
Alright, one more.
She come right back.
Try the sample.
But at the top.
Okay, wait a minute. Alright, cut it on. Cut it on mix. Don't try this at home. Only adults. Final blend is done. Alright, let's take it off, and then you can take
it off.
Sample cups.
Always let the parents take the thing off. Let the blender get off.
Okay, use your spoon to put
Alright,
the sample
so
cups.
put it in the sample cup. And first, these are sample cups. Here you go, Amber. If you just want to take these, get a sample cup for you. That's it. And then, if you really want to take
$1.
if you really want it, then you can buy it for $1. $1 each cup.
Ah, is it delicious?
Let's taste it.
Be careful. Let's taste. Delicious.
Delicious.
Now, how can we purchase these tropical fruit smoothies, Ariel?
Well, you can either go to our website. Then we'll sell you a whole pack of how you can make this, and
Or you can call me at.
Or you can call me at 443-413-8409 or 443-58.
Text me.
Or text me at the same number. Now,
We'd like to thank you all.
we'd like to thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you try some of this delicious tropical smoothie. It's really delicious. You should try it. But I really recommend you to get the cranberry apple, because it makes it really good. Here's some more.
Thank you.
Alright,
Bye-bye.
bye.